Hey everybody, today is Wednesday, April 30th. It is the last day of VEDA. Hallelujah! I'm so out of ideas. Yes, I did miss yesterday, so I will have to do 2 punishment videos now instead of just 1. Haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet, but if you have any other ideas, please let me know. Unless you're Carly, in which case, please stop giving me ideas. I love you! So, 2 cool things to talk about. First of all, I went and saw Noah last night at the Winsong Theater. They have this awesome Tuesday discount dealie, which we love. I really liked it. But here's the thing. If you go and see it, don't go in expecting to see the Bible story of Noah, because that is not what you're gonna get. There's like all sorts of weird stuff going on. But if you go in just wanting to see a really interesting story with some action and some cool biblical themes, and it's based off the story of Noah, then you'll like it. Probably. I liked it. But it was also a very pretty movie, which always really helps for me. I also really enjoy like different takes on Bible stories. Like if you've ever read Many Waters by Madeline L'Engle, which many of you know is one of my favorite series. That story is also a different take on the story of Noah and his family and everything, and it is super interesting and not at all what's in the Bible, but it's awesome. And there are a lot of stories that take stuff from the Bible and like put a completely different spin on it, often, you know, with some sci-fi stuff, because that's what I'm into. And some people, that freaks them out because they're like, that's not what happened in the Bible. But here's the thing, there are also a lot of different versions of the Bible that people disagree on. So if you can't handle a different version of the Bible story without it like shattering your faith and super offending you, I just don't really see how you're gonna get through life, because there's a lot of them out there. But yeah, anyway, Noah was really good. Emma Watson was fantastic in it, so that helped a lot. Mom and Dad, I would recommend that you don't see it because I think you would hate it. I know Dad would hate it. Like, I absolutely know that Dad would hate it. Mom, I never really know with you, because some stuff I think you'll like and then you don't. And other stuff I think you'll hate and then you end up liking it, and I can't tell. There were things that I would definitely change, but overall, I enjoyed it a lot. Okay, cool thing number 2. I recently discovered this website called Eterna that was created by Stanford. They're working on this project where they're like trying to design new RNA strands. If you don't know what that is, it's a lot like DNA, but it's just 1 strand instead of 2. But it's made of the same nucleotides, and it does like all sorts of stuff. It writes DNA, it helps proteins get built, it pretty much does any job in a cell that you want it to do. And we're really only just kind of beginning to understand the potential that RNA has. So this project, they're basically just trying to figure out all these different possibilities for RNA. And they've tried to have a supercomputer like figure it out for them, but it could not handle it because there's just so much, and it required this element of human creativity that a computer just doesn't have yet. So they created a game out of it, and once you get to so many points in this game, you can like start creating your own RNA, and then if they like the ones that you create, then they will analyze it and start like using it in labs and seeing if it can be useful for stuff. So people could like create an RNA that could help cure cancer by playing this game, and it's the coolest thing. What a world we live in, guys. So interesting. So I've been doing a lot of that this week. And it's something that I'm kind of good at because I'm really into logic puzzles, and this works a lot that way because you kind of have to fiddle with it. I enjoy it a lot. It's really cool. So yeah, that's what's been going on the past few days in my life. Since this is the last day of VEDA, and since I'm going to be really busy tomorrow and Friday, I will not be posting a video this weekend at all, most likely. So I'll probably do both of my punishment videos at some point within the next 2 months. I don't know when. So that's gonna happen at some point. I will see you all eventually. Bye. Stop talking to me. I'm trying to record.